Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set up a gift card code in your Shopify store. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify account, then click on products, navigate to gift cards option, then click on create gift card. Once you click on this, it will automatically gonna give you a gift card code. You can customize according to your needs. I am giving it as per our channel name. You can give the initial value. You can also set the expiration date. So expiration date has been added. Now you can search or create any customer. If you click on this icon, then you can create a new customer, or else you can assign it to your previous customer. I am assigning it to my previous customer. Then save your changes. So here you can see gift card has been now added. You can see the gift card code here and the expiration date. So this has been assigned to one of our customers. You can also see gift card is created by your which staff person. You can now click on send gift card. So it will gonna pop up with that. So click on send email. The email has been sent now. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to set a gift card code in your Shopify account. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like, share, comment and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.